Good evening, my people.
Oh,
How are they?
how are you?
I do, Udima.
We good.
Traditional Ogedi. Traditional Ogedi.
If we cite you, we there with you.
You never told me you have a queen. You have a German queen in Odinburgh.
No, I'm his brother wife. Oh.
Biological brother?
That is my
no, not brother, Igbo brother now.
Okay, Igbo
they are
brothers.
Let
me see your face. Let me see your face.
Is my sister.
I'm only seeing your nose. Let me see your face. Bring this.
Jpac no get network now.
No. People are calling me. Nigeria people calling me, distracting my Wi-Fi. I have network, full network.
You don't change your accent to British English, Abi.
Yo, that is why. That is why.
When they see you, they started doing like that. That's why
it is not.
That is why
well, no even sabi British English. You want.
But you German.
I'm German. Yeah. My husband is from Enugu State.
Oh, really beautiful. Let a round of applause for beautiful queen from Enugu State. Beautiful queen from Enugu State. I will do you a favor tonight. Ask me what favor.
You will do me a favor?
Yeah, I will do you a very, very big favor.
Okay.
A very big favor.
If you want to do, you go do anything I ask you.
No. Me, I want to do a very big favor for you.
Yeah, I say this why any favor where I tell you to do for me, you could do them.
No, not you do them. Me, I want to do something you will like. This
is what I asked you now.
Okay, ask me.
Okay, if you want to do me a favor, if you want to do me a favor, make una they stop fighting religious and traditional war for Facebook. Make una stop am. This is the favor I want.
Okay, now that's the favor you are asking me. You have to tell the traditional Ogedi to stop fighting Christian. And the Christian
you know one thing, I observed this thing long time. Me too, I be content creator, no be today I start. I don't day 1 year, and since 1 year I jam una. I just observe. Sometimes I join Wokedi life. You see me, I'm a German. We are inborn Christians. You understand? Like we are Christians.
God bless
no, but you never know what I want to say. I have been visiting Igbo Land. You understand? But the way we practiced Christianity as the owner of Christianity, it's not the way Africa practiced their own. If I see how Africa practiced Christianity, I don't see and finish. Our religion don't suffer for una hand though. If una need favor of Bible, una be Bible person. If the Bible no favor una again, una go to switch over to culture. Which one be that one?
Wait, Oyibo woman, listen. Wait, listen, let me tell you something.
Oyibo.
I know when you are in Germany, I know you practice your own culture, your own belief. It's because you are married to an Igbo man in Enugu State that dwell in Dibia. You know what is called Dibia?
Speak blocking for her. Yeah. Speak blocking, don't take her to London. Speak blocking. Speak blocking.
You marry Igbo man from Enugu State.
No, now he marry me. No, be me marry him. Now he marry me.
He married you. Come to Igbo, Enugu State. And you know, when a man married a woman must have to abide by the rules and regulations, abiding the family.
Yeah.
Now he married you. He's a native doctor. He married you, and automatically.
It's not a native doctor. See, we see what. Who tell you say my husband a native doctor? Jpac, my husband a very young gallant man. Now very
You are
young
calling me
gallant.
J5. You are calling me J5.
Jpac, sorry. I
No
don't used to.
problem. No problem.
Everybody say Jpac.
Yeah. You know,
ask Baby Oko 5 questions.
beautiful queen, baby Oko.
You want to ask me 5 questions, child?
Baby Oko, I am very, very glad you say you are a content creator, and I see you have about 70-something thousand followers.
Yeah.
Is it 70 or 7,000? How many?
No, 70 something, and in TikTok I have almost 200,000 now.
Okay, good and fine. I know this woman from Australia. I know
Yeah, but
Mama,
this one is not even the issue. You know, una go dey in peace. You know, my own is everybody should believe what you want. If like you know, everybody like everybody should believe what you want. You understand?
Bless you. God
But
bless
you don't use your belief to make money. This one I condemn it totally.
Yes,
and I know
God
both of it.
you.
Because you know there are so many. I'm going to Nigeria. I'm going to Igbo Land. I see everything that is going on. I see how people suffer. I see how people find it hard to see what they could chop in a day.
God
Sometimes I used to help them when I have what I can give. I help them, especially our people for our community. I do things for them if I can do.
Baby Oku, I like your conversation. Now I want to ask you a very vital question because you speak English very well. I must have to give you 2 awards. You speak English very well, not just because you are a German. You know, a German, a born German, a Germanese, a Dutch person that speak Dutch, that speak English very well. You have to give the person a very good award. 2, you carry 2nd award as a Igbo woman because I call you Igbo woman. You take our culture, and I love that. You know what I like about you? You said live and let others live. That is take your own belief, and that is what I want you to be doing to my this is my brother. He doesn't want others to believe on what they believe. I am telling him, believe on what you believe. Leave others to believe. We are one. We are one flesh and blood. Now, Wanyocha, see, do you know how to speak Igbo?
Ana m obere Igbo. Obere.
Okay, obere Igbo ima obere.
Jpac, this is not a part of the conversation.
Mba biko, biko pono za for long. I'm gonna biko.
Because that is ya ka Ebuka Obi ji je kpuo onye ọcha na-anaghị ekwu okwu dobe di ya ebe anyị nwa na eri the original one na-enwe nnebe eji mmeri ahụ Ebuka Obi kpụrụ akpụ. Baby Ogo.
Yeah, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you now.
You see, how do you see the Ebuka Obi make a statue who looks like you behind him?
No, you don't put words into her mouth. You don't put words into her mouth.
You know,
you will ask her.
When I come here for the first time,
you will ask her. You will ask her, how do you see the goodness and the goodies of what Ebuka Obi doing to people?
Okay.
How do you see those things?
You
don't put words.
Take my question to ask her. No, you can prepare your own question. Make I ask her my own question.
You know, for me, I'm not watching Ebuka Obi program. You understand?
Yeah,
I'm not watching
that Ebuka Obi can pray for somebody and the person will see.
No. Don't talk that way.
But you asked the question before. I say no.
Do you believe that somebody can make like this and the fire go catch somebody there?
No. I don't believe
this is what most of our people have believed, and that is why what is causing war here on the social media.
Okay. I want to be saying,
you know, my only thing we say, what I see is all these big pastors, they want to make money by all means, because here in my country we have pastors, they're living in a normal house. They even some of them no use motor, because here in our country, if you have motor, you don't have motor, it's not a standard. You know, it's not must. You must have a car or you
Sure,
don't have a car.
sure. You're right.
And you can hardly see any pastor from my country there on social media. You understand?
Sure.
So all these things, they confuse me.
Now, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, of course.
But let me be seeing your face before I will ask you this very question.
Okay.
Jpac, why do you want to see
Wait
somebody's
now.
wife face?
Wait, Bonozo. Bupa for Bonozo because carry your baby come out back. I see you, woman.
Do you see any baby here?
You
don't see I caught.
You have Babbitt. I want to see baby Oku face. Now, baby Oku, Germany.
Yeah.
I have question.
Jpac have to go heaven. Ebukobi is having statue of Virgin Mary. Now, Jpac is talking with I have make Jpac to talk with one of our queen. Jpac will not
please
food tonight.
Now let me talk to baby Germany. Germany, I'm talking to you. Tell me wait, let me ask a question.
Ask.
Now, baby Germany. God bless you for being part of our program. Now, I want to ask you this very question. Is it the duty of a church or a tradition? Is it a duty, church, or a tradition, or a government to bring in development in a country?
If I talk now about my own country, you know, it's the government. But about what I know about, like,
use your country. Use
Germany. My country, Germany, is from I don't know, from decades. Like even I don't know, it's from 1000 after Jesus. You understand? It's a Christian rooted. Okay. So here in my country, the government and
who is calling me now?
Like different social things made by churches. You see, nursery schools by churches. If you have problem now, maybe to pay a house rent or to do this, your first way is to the government. But government, they sleep, you understand? So you can go with all these documents, you go to church and church will give you money to settle your problem.
Okay, thank you. Now, is it the duty?
I want to ask a question.
I'm coming to
wait. No, I want to ask this question.
Please.
Africa, in Nigeria, in Igbo Land, is government supposed to work with the Christians, or government supposed to work with the indigenous people or traditional people? Because Germany is the original Christian country. That is why government is working with them.
The government is not supposed to work with any tradition, culture, or religion, because the government is supposed to take care of everybody, no matter which religion, tradition, culture, or whatever, unless you are a criminal. But in other ways, no matter what, the government is supposed to recognize every person, both Igbo, both Hausa, both Yoruba, both Benin, both Delta, both everywhere. And no matter whether you are Muslim, you are Christian, you are Dibia, you are whatever you want to be, even if you are Jehovah's Witness.
Yes.
In Germany, they know they look face. You see how many foreigners come from different parts of the world. Yes. But when you come, they give you shelter, they give you house, they give you money to chop, they give you everything. You understand? So for you to be, and you didn't never even develop anything to our system, but they will give you those things. They will not look whether you're black, you're white, whether you're Turkish, whether you are, no matter where you come from, they must do that for you first.
Yeah, I want to ask you again. Okay. In Germany is a Christian country. Is it only Christians living in Germany here? How many religions are here? How many? Tell us people who lives here.
Family, we are a Christian country, but during the time we get Muslims, we
Mhm.
get Jehovah Witness, we get Jewish people, we get I don't know, Hindu, I don't know all the culture. We get Africans with different culture and tradition. We get a
Okay.
lot of different people here.
Okay.
Is anybody going against each other?
Baby Uncle.
No,
Let me
Is
ask you. Let me ask you.
is any of these people here going against each other here?
no.
Yes.
Once you want to keep the rules and regulations of the country, and you are not like
Now,
you cannot.
why
Make I talk finish.
What?
Like as a Christian now, if you are Christian, you cannot, as a pastor, go and tell somebody to drink 1 liter olive oil because you know, say the person go vomit tire.
Mhm.
You understand? If the person now report the pastor go get woto. You understand?
Yes.
And as a cultural person or a traditional person, you cannot start doing ritual in our country with the person because if the person report you now, no problem.
Because of government regulates the movement of everybody in the country, right?
Yeah.
Now, why Nigeria or Africa own is different? If a church is having problem or a traditionalist is having problem, they will label it upon themselves. Why the problem of Africa is the leaders of Africa? Now, Oyibo woman, let me ask you a question.
Yeah, but for me, wait to make a switch in something. But for me, if you see that your government is not working, as a society, as a brotherhood, as a Igbo people, we need to help each other out and not looking like you're Catholic, you're Anglican, you're culturalist, you're traditionalist or anything. Brotherhood first, and make everybody believe what you want to believe.
Program. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm listening. I'm
Talk.
listening.
I say no matter what you believe, una should be like brothers.
Now,
Not because somebody says believe in culture, a
Now,
Christian will now come
I
and
want to
say
say,
beat
I want
this
to ask
person
you
up.
again.
Uh,
I want to ask you again.
yeah.
Are you what encourage us? Are you encouraging us to adopt our Igbo language or adopt English? Because some people tell me I do not go to school, I cannot even speak good English, and I have to leave all this what I'm doing to become a Christian, so that I will become like a human being. So advise,
No.
advise them.
My
Advise
advice
them.
is this one is clear. My advice is you see Germany.
Mhm.
When our children born, the first language we will teach them is our dialect. We have 16 states with different dialect in our country. So we as parents will teach our children our dialect, even our village dialect first. From there now, they could go primary school and learn the normal, like the how they call them in Igbo. They have their central Igbo, so we have our central German, but we have different dialect. If
Okay.
you go from east to north, sometimes you know they hear which north they talk. If you go from east to west, sometimes you know they understand the dialect. So our own work is to teach them our dialect. And from school now, they learn the central one. And from there now, I think from primary 3, they start with English.
Okay.
If you sabi your own language finish, you come and learn foreign language.
Okay. Thank you very
baby.
much. Thank you very much indeed. Now, I am asking you, Baby Uncle Germany, to answer me this question generally. This is what is happening in our land. Now, if somebody, maybe a traditionalist or a church goer or a Christian is doing something nice to the society,
Yeah.
will people start fighting him because he's doing something nice to the society, or will people be saying, this person, we don't want to take your, we don't want to accept your development to the society because you are a pagan, or you are a traditionalist, or you are a Christian?
No,
Why
we don't know.
must it
We
be
know
so?
they don't believe. If you are a Muslim, you want to do something good in Germany, you do it. If you are a Christian, you want to do something good, you do it. If you are a traditionalist, every good person is appreciated because it's very hard in this world, where the world is full of selfish people, to see somebody that get good mind.
Now,
You understand?
I want you to ask traditional wicked this question. Somebody called Abe Kobe. They bought land, a very big, massive land. And the structure they want to build on that land is they want to bring hospital, they want to bring schools, They want to bring rehabilitation center. They want to bring a shopping mall. They want to bring estates and hotels and every basic amenities to the state of Igbo land. Now, why, help me and ask Mokedi, why he doesn't want to appreciate that good work? Just because the work is coming from a Christian.
No.
No, wait.
Why is?
No,
You
I'm
know,
asking,
I know Woke the long time from social media, and sometimes my husband and him, they talk. And I know how he's thinking, you know. I think sometimes people get them wrong. His own is just let people live and let their own live. Don't spoil something because of your new belief. Keep inheritance of your forefather for your future children to see. Maybe you now, you don't want to see it. Maybe they have shrines, it is part of Igbo history. You have to keep, like we have history, we keep it since 1500 or 1400, 1300. You understand? We still have it, no matter now good something or bad something, but it's still there. Now we, the new generation, can go there and see what our forefathers have been doing. You understand?
yeah.
And not maybe today now we think something is evil, but our next two generations, they get more knowledge than we, and they come find out, say this thing no be evil. You understand?
Yeah.
So no spoil any cultural or something because of you believe something new, and this is one of the points he's trying to tell people: keep our inheritance, keep our belief, allow people to believe. Don't I know say una they done the fight for una side for tradition and Christianity before. You understand?
Yes, yes.
So I can understand, and Wukedi is his family is how do you call it, direct English and me no be mate.
No, continue. Continue.
I understand his pains because his family have been facing problem because of their traditional belief. You understand?
Yes.
So I know why today he stand here and fight for his own. And maybe the pain is so deep that he cannot understand the other side again. You understand?
Yes.
Because now him own experience he carry for him chest.
Yes.
So you as a man now, if something pain or you make a bad experience or you fall victim of something that you know say no good, tomorrow now you will be very careful of entering the same problem again.
No.
Thank you very much. We have somebody here, Uncle IB. We have Uncle IB.
Let me answer Jpac that question.
No,
because Ebuko is not a government. There is structures that the government is structured, and everybody have to go contrary to do that thing. If the Zion people want to build this land, build something in Igbo land, let them go and meet the government. Let the government give them the place. Not buy it.
Now, listen to me.
Here,
listen.
That's how things go here. One baby could explain that to you again. You cannot take the law into your hand. Government controls everywhere.
No,
and the government have mapped out what's supposed to be here, what's supposed to be here, what's supposed to be here. Churches in Nigeria controls the government.
Okay,
the pastors in Nigeria wanted to that God have called them. Okay.
I want to ask this question. You know, when you were talking, the English one said when everybody is talking,
no didn't have a silent to me.
No one is talking. Now you have made your point very, very clearly. Now I want to just please just say yes or no on this question I want to ask now. I don't want you to prolong it. Is ritualist killing and okite, is it part of Igbo tradition?
No.
Thank you. Why? I'm coming. Somebody's calling me. I'm just discarding the call. It's disturbing my network.
If you have your ancestors' ways of worship and you go and carry okite, now you have two things. You have a double thing.
Okay, wait, now I'm coming now. I'm coming now. Why is it hard for you, Wokedi, to condemn the atrocities coming out from that our Omenala. You know, Igbo tradition is very pure and good.
I am
It's
condemning
hopeless.
it. I am condemning it. I used to make a program about the fake DBS and the fake pastors.
No. You hardly, I said,
condemning it. Even
No,
that
but
is
the
how
truth is, I have been in his program many times, and he's always condemning people that use culture and tradition to collect money from people or to be doing bad things.
yes.
He's condemning it.
Okay,
It's
now wait.
true.
Oyibo,
Mm.
I want to ask you a question.
Mm.
I want you particularly to answer this question.
Mm.
You know we have fake pastors, right?
Yeah.
Using the name of Jesus
Yeah.
to perform miracle, right?
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
Is he also in Germany?
No.
Not that I'm not visible.
Not visible.
I cannot say. I can say 90% no, but 10% I cannot say because, you know, people see waiting they see for eye, but you don't know what is going on underground. So I cannot say 100%.
Does German Christian believe in miracle?
No, normally not. It depends. Maybe the one where Christianity don't chop the brain finish. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm asking you this very question now. Wait now. Okay, wait. I am asking you this very question now. Now, a person doing traditional things like native doctor.
Yeah.
Native doctor. Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Now, is it right for somebody to put somebody picture in a casket, invoke the person? Maybe you are a white person, I have your contact and I take you as a client, and I went to use your name and picture to do sacrifice, so you will be paying money to me. Is it right or wrong, or is it encouraging in the in that part of culture?
No.
Which culture?
I say clearly no. But Jpac, this one I want to switch something in. You know, say everywhere, both in the religion culture, even in Muslimity, in Muslim religion,
Yes,
there is people that practice and believe in the good things, because religion, culture, and even other religions, they are there to guide us. They are there to make us good people. They are there to be guiding us on our way in our life. Because if you are living with no belief, I think it's going to be very hard. Every woman.
What I'm saying this now, you did not answer my question. You know, when I am talking here, it's only me.
No, wait, you never let me talk finish now. So without belief, I will answer your question.
Okay.
We have to believe in something, okay? So now in all these beliefs, you have very good things. You know, like Christians, they have some good things in their belief, and also traditional people, they have good things in their belief. Native doctors formerly was there to be healing people. We have native doctors before in Germany. We have people that practice native medicine up to today. You understand?
Yes.
But what is there? If you have now a good thing there, definitely there will be people abusing it and doing bad things there. You understand? Like you are a native doctor now, and you learn about all the native leaves growing in your environment. You are studying it to know how to cook some teas that cure cough, to cure BP, to cure liver problem, to cure this one, to how to treat wounds, how to produce balm. So along the investigation,
you are not answering my question. I am asking the question.
I know
answering the question.
What I just asked now.
Let me widen your brain a little bit, Jpac. You know, you used to eat fufu and the nama meat.
And I'm teaching you something now.
No, I ask question.
Wait, Jpac.
I need an answer.
Understand what she's saying. Understand her. She's saying
I'm
something.
going
Try to understand
to your
what
point.
she's saying.
Your question was, is it good for traditional people to collect money from people and doing ritual? Maybe they collect hair from you, put it in a box to scam Oyibo or to make Oyibo woman they marry you, or even your fellow person.
Or
Maybe this person
pay
do.
maga to pay money.
So what I want to say.
Is it part of that tradition they are projecting?
But the
No, it's not part
pastors,
of
the
their
pastors are
tradition. But
praying,
Rachel, I wanted to tell you now with what I wanted to say, or with what I'm saying. If a native doctor now go and study about leaves, along the study he will find out the good leaves that have positive use for human being, and he will find also the bad ones that can burn you. You understand? That will finish you. Okay. And now out of this, some people will practice a good thing, and the bad ones will practice the bad thing. So you can't condemn all of them because of some people are using it to do bad things.
You have not answered me my question. What my question is this: you as a Igbo woman, you, I am using you as an example.
Okay.
I use your picture, put in Okite, so use you, so you become my maga, and I use OG and Ose and do one or two things for you to be paying money every month, or I will give you a bill you will pay. I am asking as a person who believes in tradition.
This is what Ebuko is doing. We will not target. We will not target only Igbo people.
As an Igbo man, everybody that know what is good and bad to know that one is not good. And as an Igbo man, you are supposed not to even ask me this question, because as an Igbo man, you're supposed to know your culture. And as an Igbo man, you are supposed to know that your culture is not supporting it. It's not part of your culture.
Okay, now wait. Let me teach you something.
Like that.
You see Christianity, you see.
In our culture, it is not good at all. But do you
know
Christianity
also is not good at all? Ebukobi is doing the same thing. Odumeje is doing the same thing. All these Igbo pastors are doing the same thing.
Can you prove that?
I will prove it 100%. Agbobola is deported from United Arab Emirates. I will tell the government of the United Arab Emirates to give me the information of Agbobola and his real name.
Uncle Ivy is waiting for you to add him. Maybe you can add him up. Maybe you can contribute on the topic.
I am trying to add him, but it is not picking. If I add him, it will decline. If I add him, it will decline. I am adding
Nigerian pastors are praying.
Why I was talking about this thing with the leaves now is for you to know that in everything people practice in this life, there's something, there are good things. Normally for many they are for something good, but there are always some people that use it for bad things. And the same thing in tradition. And now I can ask you the same thing in the Christianity way. We as Christians, we are seeing how we practice Christianity.
Wait,
I know.
Are you a Christian?
Of
course. Are you a Christian?
Yeah.
You're a Christian.
Yeah. I'm Anglican. I'm baptized. I was singing in the church.
Let me drive my question. I totally agreed on what you are saying.
Yes.
Because I myself am a Christian.
You never say finish. Don't cut her. Jpac is a politician.
I'm only saying
Jpac to make politics. Jpac is you are asking a political question.
No.
Let me dilute it. Allow her to finish. She never finish. She never talk finish. Maybe you can finish that topic you have.
I am not asking a political question.
Maybe you can continue. Don't let her to cut the. Don't let her to divert it. Maybe you can finish. He said, as a Christian, you have seen something. Continue saying it. Jpac, wait, let Babyoko finish.
You know why I explain these things? Because I know your question and I answer it, but maybe you don't understand that I answer it, but I think many people understand that I answer it. In every culture, tradition, religion, there are always people abusing it. And the same way people are abusing culture and tradition in Nigeria, I'm not only talking of Igbos because other people do it too, it's not only Igbo people. Yeah. The same way people are abusing religion to make money, to deceive people. No pastor has the right to tell you, pay me 500,000 naira, I will heal you.
Yes.
A pastor that is a pastor from his heart, he will tell you, I will pray for you and you go to hospital and treat yourself.
Yes.
That prayers is the support of your healing.
Yes.
Because it makes you believe that everything will be working fine. Then you go with confidence to the hospital and treat yourself.
Yes. Now,
this is why I say beliefs are important, because beliefs make us to gain strength in whatever we are doing. Both traditional beliefs, both relational beliefs.
When you are through, let me know. When you are through, let me know.
Yeah, I'm done.
Through?
Yeah.
Cool. Now, do you know why I said I am not disputing whatever you are saying, because this is your own opinion. It's your own opinion.
Yeah.
And
I know the
right.
now.
It's also majority carries the vote.
No, not majority carry the vote.
Look at it. Go to comment section and see now.
Okay, now listen to me. Listen. She have already said her own, and I'm talking now. She said she's a Christian. Yes. And that is what we have been saying for a very long time. That we are condemning every activity, every evil activity, be a Christian or a pagan or Omenala. When, like I used to say, we bring it out and analyze it, everything. If a traditional person do a bad thing, we analyze it totally, condemn it totally. No, I wouldn't want you to be specifically saying that never, because when you are saying about a particular person, you are inciting what is called division. You are bringing in division. You understand? Just as I asked an Igbo woman, she said she's a Christian and Anglican, but she previously said that it's not the way SCMA they do for in a European country, that government take over everything. It is the duty of government to make sure that there is light in a country, right or wrong?
It's institute of the government now.
Now, it's duty of government to bring light, right?
Yeah.
Now, it's duty of a government to construct good road, right?
Yeah.
It's duty of a government to build schools, hospitals, universities, right?
Yeah, but we have also schools founded by churches. Like
I am coming to that, because in Nigeria we still have I have thousands of schools funded by churches. We have Madonna University in Anambra State, right? In we have owned by Fadede in Catholic Church. We have St. Charles Secondary School. We have CKC in Onitsha. We have many schools. When Westerners bring schools to Nigeria, we have many schools. We have hospitals. We have Bishop Shoreham in Nsukka, Enugu State. We have many schools funded by churches. And up till today, and I'm here to tell you, Baby Oku, that's more than 200 years till date, Baby Oku, no a traditional man has ever built a school, even build a maternity home.
Let me
say. Wait. I'm talking to Baby Oku. Baby Oku, do you know in my country, Nigeria? Baby Oku, listen.
I hear you.
Do you know that over 200 years, that people that are practicing all this evil religion, none of them have
religion, no evil.
Wait.
No. The war will continue.
Wait.
We have built many schools, but you abandon it.
Wait.
We have built many schools.
Even have private school.
No private school. Primary school. We have our school system. Our school system is not ABCD. It's not our school system is not Macmillan. Our school system, British cannot bring us to school. We have our own school, and the Okonko, the Leopard school, and the Okonko is our own school. Now, and we teach our children the ways, we teach God who made me and you. These people abandoned everything. You see the way they abandoned their shrines, their ancestors. It's the way they abandon our school. Go to Banana Nebioko, I will show you this country. I supposed to be a great teacher, teaching from Obuaha, Obunana, and Dududenke. This is where they have to come and learn the knowledge of their ancestors. How to interact. Okay, now.
Make we talk one by one now. I didn't hear everybody.
I am begging him.
I want to show you one of my school, what we practice with it, and going to other people, interacting with them with the truth, peace and harmony. And we have used it to travel everywhere. We have Oriana for Nankwaneke. We know where our school system is. Our former Kate functioned 8 days. That is how our school system is supposed to be, and we have to supposed to have the orientation and the integration of this. But now they go and have British English, and they start like British, and they don't understand their ancestors' way again, and they say we do not build anything. Do you see every village, even in his village, they have Udo and Dogugu. School is there, market is there.
I want to ask question.
Everything is there. This man do not have. This man have CRK, Christian religious knowledge, and the colonial mentality. That is why he will try to tag his ancestors bad by all means.
He's talking now. I am not talking though.
Talk. I have cleared the
air. No, don't worry. We have time now. What he is explaining to is educating, so you have to listen to one finish and you bring another one.
I'm talking.
Analyze it because they believe that no black man will be Messiah. That is why they put Ndigbo in the prison. They believe that Jesus Christ must appear like that statue, or Virgin Mary must come like what Ebukobi is keeping behind him. And that is what they believe. If any good thing come from black man, forget it. It's evil. Me and myself, I'm evil already, because in their Bible, only one black man is there is evil. All the picture that they put there is the saint and the saint and the saint. So this is the mentalities that the British did to us, and this inferiority complex. Tell them to be who they are. Tell them to be who they are.
Can I talk?
Yeah, talk.
Okay, now I have 10 minutes to talk one by one. I tried to bring in Uncle Ibi, but it's declined. I don't know, maybe we are 3. It can be able to carry. Now I want to
normally not 4 people. Normally not 4 people.
I am trying to add, but it doesn't.
I want to call on Ndi Igbo or the Ndi Igbo to come and answer Jpac this question, that we don't have a school system. All the people of Ndi Igbo, all of you come here and answer this question. They said we don't have a school system.
Okay, the problem is that they don't like people to talk. When you talk,
so
you
want us to be
brainwashed. You don't like people to talk. Una didn't save me. Una na mate.
Okay,
after we go and learn Macmillian. You know why I do not go to secondary school. The primary school is in my village. You know why I go to only primary 6? I do not go again. They never teach us about our history. They never teach us about our ancestors. Even in Macmillian, they teach us about the Gandoki. Gandoki was a great warman from the north. They never teach us about.
It's not a sin that somebody only go to primary school. It's also about
from north.
I want to ask Wokede. Please, let me.
I'm ready to answer more than 1 billion questions. You can be able to answer.
For those people,
I'm educating them. I'm educating him, not them. I'm educating him.
For those people, I'm on live video. I'm on live video now. We'll call back. I'm on live video.
No, now our ancestors bring you here, and they go do.
Okay, now wait. I want to correct the impression from our fans. Please, we have a guest here. We have Wokede here. Wokede is our guest. We have Baby Oku. She's our guest. I don't want. I'm seeing kind of comments insultive, abusive to each other.
We
are
just
here
learning. We are
to learn.
We are cool. We are learning.
Fans from Baby Ogu, they are here. Fans from they are here. My own fans are here. Please let nobody insult each other. I cannot take it.
No, it even makes sense. It not even makes sense.
One love,
So
please.
Because the insult is going too far. Even I monitor these things. It's too far.
So
These ones will be insulting. It's very uncivilized to be insulting each other because of different beliefs.
Yeah.
So
very
if
bad.
If you want to drop your comment, just drop your own comment. Don't insult anybody. You don't call somebody idiot.
Don't insult. You
don't call people idiots because they don't believe on your own. And you don't call people mugu because everybody have title of their own belief. Because if you are insulting anybody here, next time if I bring them, if I bring them, they will not come in. They will say, they don't want anybody to insult them. Like, let us respect them, please. This is their first time of coming to this program. We are learning.
We don't strong now. We don't strong. we don't chop woto for this. We don't strong now.
I am asking you. I am asking you.
You know, my charger, I need to charge my... No, another one. I want to bring charger because I want to get extra ready. Yeah.
Now, I want to ask you.
I am a machine.
The school you went to, Ken? Which people built the school you went to? The school you went, okay, now let me not go to school.
Yeah.
I want you to mention 3 science or development in Nigeria that your own Arab Nago has brought to Nigeria.
If you go to Umuahia Museum, all the caterpillar, all the ammunition, all the things that they pack there, they used during the Biafran Civil War. Okay, visible never do. All my ancestors, they make it.
No. Let me correct you. Let me correct you.
Who?
Let me correct you. Wait.
Forget about it. Forget about that science man. He go to school. That man go to school. Before that man, we have been melting stone to get iron from it. And we have
not say
no, we have every down thing. They took it from, we are ancient civilized people, and we have been civilized. My grandfathers, we are in Kanozo, that the Anambra state is in Rioka axis.
No.
All the black meet in Igbo Land.
I am not talking about our.
That is Alobinago. That is in Kanozo. That is Agwu. That is Yagwu. That is Yagwu. Yes, Alobinago. And when Malobinago, Agwu Otutu. Yakan Nagwagi Homele. Okbolo caterpillar. Okbolo Egbe. Even on Panana on Agwa today. Moji and Dibia Nasu. It's my product. Ogene Ejiaku, Ogene Megolo, a lot of people, Bironia. Ejek Wamba, oh, Genem Brokoji, Iri Ji Jpac, and Namo, even daughter name. I'm not
if I ask you now to choose between archaic lifestyle and modern technology, which one will you choose? Then anyone you choose now, I'll ask you a question why you choose that one.
Every modern started from a cake.
I'm not asking you.
Nothing like a
cake. Wait.
You are uncivilized, and you don't want to learn. It was stubborn to learn.
But wait, what does a civilization have to do with Christianity or tradition?
No, this is not Christianity.
He said that we have never invented anything. That our ancestors have never do anything. That it's only Christianities come and bring us life. That we do not have life.
I am asking this question generally. I did not mention Christianity or traditional or whatever.
Go see the pyramid. Go see the pyramid that we build in Nudi.
Do you want?
All the pyramids.
Archaic lifestyle and the current modern technology? Which one do you want?
I can't really answer this question because no wait, make I explain myself. I can't really answer this question because olden days there are things that are better than today. This technology have bring us not only education and good things, this technology have bring us enviness, greediness, a lot of things like that. You understand? Marriages are not working again. Nobody have respect for each other again. People are buying themselves because everybody want to be richer. The whole world is just jaga jaga. As you see now, where we did. So as more technology, as more mental problem people they get. Stress, high BP, a lot of things. But in other way, the technology have helped us a lot. We have medical treatments we don't have before. We can do surgeries to save people's life. Like many children today, they will not be adults if we don't have this medical possibility as we have today. In my country now, old people, we have people, they get 100 years, 90 years, 85 years, many. We have more old people in our country than young ones. You understand?
Yes.
So it's also a blessing. It have two sides. You understand? So I can't really answer this question because
no. You know why I said you answer this? Because I want you to I want you to pass it to Moked, because I have already asked Moked where did he school. He refused to tell me one, and I asked him what and what. You know, you are talking about your own country. Yes, our own religion, which is a tradition. I am not disputing the fact that we are born in tradition and we have done
even our own religion. Let me explain you something. Even our own religion, that Christianity, have evil.
And
we have many, yes, but I don't want you to talk one better and the other one bad. Yes. No, our religion have a lot of evil. In my grandmother's time, they have religious war here. Catholics and Anglicans, they cannot even marry themselves. You understand?
So you are telling me that
we have a lot of children. We have a lot of children. We have a lot of children that attend church programs because church is supposed to help people. It's supposed to, they educate the children. They keep them busy. They have a lot of programs. Children go sing there. We have a lot of pastors that have been sexually defiling children all over the world.
Now,
you understand? And the worst thing, and the worst thing, wait, and the worst thing, and the worst thing about it, I want to talk finish. And the worst thing about it, and the worst thing about that, and the victims stay many, both in Africa. We have missionaries that come to Africa and defiling African women in Africa, bringing sisters to Europe and defiling them here. And after, they will just throw them out from the church and say, you be a shower.
Now,
but you the force. Wait, let me talk finish. And the most baddest thing, and the most, you never let me finish. The most baddest thing about the whole thing, the most baddest thing about the whole thing is that government don't take a law, because here in Europe, church is so high in court of, like you cannot come as a government or as a police and involve yourself into church matter that time. You understand? The church has their own law system. So it is like a taboo for the government to interfere there. So if cases like that happen inside the church have to judge and settle it by themselves. And what will the church do? They will sweep it under the rug. Those pastors defiling women and children are still practicing that pastor, while the women and the children was thrown out from the church. And I just say, because you talk of evil inside culture and we talk about evil inside the religion. I want to show you that also religion have their own evil, and also they cover it up, and also they sweep it under the rug. You understand?
So wait. Relax, bring it down. Calm down. Now you are telling me that you are an Anglican in Germany. So you are telling me that you people bring in atrocity in Africa. Tell me that, let me believe, because that is what you're saying. And Europe brings Christianity in Africa. So you're telling me that you are Anglican, that you participated in bringing evil in Africa, because according to you, you said that you are Anglican in Europe. 1, 2. Number 2 question is this.
Like this, I was born like this. My parents carry me into church, baptize me. I don't even have choice. But since I'm 18 years old, you know, we are paying church tax by force. Every person that is a church member here is paying tax, 20 euro every month. You know, go even see the money. Now the government go collect them from your salary. Every fucking person in the whole Germany.
No, you don't have right. You don't have right to defect from your own religion to another one.
I don't have right to do what?
So you don't have right to defect. So to move from your own religion, which we are born into, to another one. You don't have right to do that. So
why I don't have right? Am I not an adult that can choose for myself what is good for me? So since I'm 18 years old, because of all the evil I have seen here, what our people are doing, I sign out from church. I sign out. 1 naira they no get from me.
Yes.
I sign out.
So why do you?
And the many German people sign out too. Do you know how much millions of people church have lost these past years through the evil they are doing? They cannot. Every normal person that is defiling the church will go to prison, but your pastor, you could cover them up.
This is woman. We are saying different
about humanity and human rights.
We are saying different things.
Not the different thing. Listen to her.
The reason why I'm telling you. Listen. The reason why I'm telling you that we are saying different things is this.
No.
You are saying it as if I am defending anybody calling himself Christian or defrauding somebody. Your own understanding is not.
Say that. I was trying to. I was just trying to explain you, because your own point is traditionalist practicing this, traditionalist practicing this, traditionalist practicing this. So me as an Oyibo person born into Christianity right from away, try to explain you now that even in that Christianity there is evil. You understand? That is what I tried to explain. I'm not judging you. I not judge your belief. I'm not saying you say anything. Whatever you believe is your own belief.
Listen, I am not saying that you are capitalizing on particular religion. We have thousands of religions in the whole world.
Yes,
and it is not
you can see Muslims.
Christian.
You can see Muslims. You see, I know there's a problem in Nigeria too between Muslim and Christians.
I like when you listen. It is not when you're being sentimental. When you talk, allow somebody.
I'm not sentimental, no. Now you be sentimental.
No. You know why I say sentimental? Because I want to learn something from you. I want to learn something from you. And I want you.
Now
wait.
I
better hear from Kusi. I want you to learn from me. And I will learn from you. You are talking about Christian. I want
because this is what I because this is what I born into, and this is what I can talk about.
This is my turn to talk.
That one, I cannot judge tradition, but I'm born into the tradition.
No, I'm the one to talk, and I will be very glad if you give me audience to talk, even if it's 5 minutes, and I will talk. Now, my talk is this: let us not be talking about one particular religion, because we don't have only one religion in Nigeria. Right from 1960, let me educate you now a little bit. Right from 1960 till date now, the only two Christians that have ruled Nigeria, they are Agwu and Dr. Ndi Igbo. Dr. Ndi Igbo ruled as a civilian. He schooled in CKC on the chat. Why?
Only Christian who have ruled Nigeria. Only Igbo one. Only Christian. Christian.
Now listen to me. If I do mistake, what you do after my talk, you correct me. I don't want you to put words into my mouth. If I do mistake after my speech, then you have right to correct me. I said two major Igbo people who are Christians that have ruled Nigeria, Dr. Ndi Igbo and Agwu Yuronsi, started
What
from
of Goodluck
1960.
Jonathan?
No, I'm coming. He doesn't believe that he's a Igbo man.
What of Alex Ekwueme?
He never. He's not a. Ekwueme is not a president. Unless Ekwueme a president, he never be a president.
Vice president.
Yes, he never be a president. Now, starting from that time, all the head of state that have ruled Nigeria, they are all Muslim. And you, Mokedi, you are so afraid to talk about atrocity coming from that side because of getting. You don't want anything to happen to your passport. You don't want anything to happen to your stand. You don't want anything to happen to you or your family. Since that time, even when Babangida, Buhari, Obasanjo, all those people down to the current person ruling us today, they are all Muslim. And since then till now, we have series of insecurity, Boko Haram, everything coming up. And you have never one day talk about that particular region. So why are you so much? And Christians are being there for peacekeeping. Even in America, they named their country God's own state or whatever. In God we trust. Their logo. In any peacekeeping, and Christians always go for peace. You never talk about war. Boko Haram, atrocity, insecurity, Hamad war, Hamad attack, every terrorist from corners of the land, Pakistan terrorists and the Afghanistan. You never want to talk about that because you don't want, anybody that is starting war, or go. You people are fear of war. You don't want to talk about that. So why so much emphasizing what are the problem or the atrocity Christians commit? If not everything Christians are doing today in Nigeria, be it fraud or wayo, it was white people that taught them how to do wayo. Or Igbo people who are the European people, they are the ones that they enslaved African. They collected all the Arabinago, all the shrines in Ndi Igbo. Our own forefathers, we have no brain to dictate or to know that this particular shrine have power to invent a aeroplane or cell phone. That this particular shrine have so much power that they will be able to use the power to invent a sewing machine or aeroplane or motor car. But Europeans came to Africa, collected all the shrines, and our forefathers, they are there. The Arab is there.
Now, make I ask you the question. Make I answer question. You have a talking what Bob Manuel Udoku said. Wait, I'm coming. Christianity in Africa, the missionaries the people who bring missionaries in Africa do not go back, and they are very good people because they come when people need help, and they come that time. And they live
not all are good.
They live in our land until they die. They do not go back.
You know what I don't want here? I don't like people calling me names.
They live in our land.
I don't want it.
They live in our land.
If people are insulting people here, I will end the video.
Yeah, that is why the memories remain there. We love those first missionaries who come. They do not go back. They die there. They live 60 years, 80 years with the old they are. And they live long there, and they're happy. They die there, and their spirit is there.
What I am saying,
some of them are in our masquerade, but they do not carry. They do not carry anything. Wait, they do not carry anything. Go to Europe. I was in the Soul of All African Museum in Essen, and the man who is there tell me how everything's work. Reverend Father Mbaka, Okunelele, all these chief priests, all these pastors, they go there and carry it and bring it there.
Don't call people name. I don't want you to mention anybody. I don't want
but
to
I have to mention
name.
their name, and if
No,
I like, I will
why?
catch them. If I will like, I will catch them in essence when they are doing that, and because they are still coming to Europe.
This is
no, I know the secret. I know it. I know who
this
carry
is
it.
hatred.
I know who carry it.
No, this
I
is
know
hatred.
no white man, no white person carry your thing. Don't tag it to them.
I have right.
And let me tell you again. Let me tell you again.
No,
Christianity is not a peaceful. Christianity try to bring all our deities down. Pastor no white man did it. Do not target anybody. I know I am a historian. I'm a student of Igbo. I'm a student of Igbo Museum. I'm a historian.
When you say Christian is good.
And I
when you say
Muslim when I'm speaking.
Don't call people name.
I want you to listen, because if you are not listening, you will not understand anything. Start writing what I'm saying. I want to make some people to become a writer. A writer is not only what you see you write. What people said, if you write it, if you can be able to put it in text, it has become a book. They have chapters and the verse. All these people that is doing harakula,
no, they catch everything.
All our deities are expensive. All our deities are expensive. And the new one, Madam Baka or Ebube Monso, or all these people, they carry go to Europe. They make it too much money with it.
I don't want you to be calling Mbaka is a small boy to compare when European came to Nigeria and made a way.
But that's what they are doing.
And use our shrines.
Madam Baka Papa is a native doctor.
Network. Do you know what is speaking on your phone? This phone now, do you know what is inside this phone? They bring it, they brought it from Africa. Now, your God could not be able to stop them. Why would your God give you that bread? Give Mugede the bread to manufacture aeroplane.
Your God that eat sugar and they abandon.
You people, I don't understand what our sense of today, what education have to do with Christianity or culture. That is one thing I don't understand, because you don't have anything to do with culture or Christianity. Man have the right to educate himself. A Christian have the right to educate himself. It's not because we are Christian we know how to create phone. Where did we get things to create phone? Cobalt. We know different from Congo. This one we know.
You are in Europe. You know, whatever you are talking about Germany.
Now let me tell you, go and read the history of Alotuku, Ohafia, and Abreba during the slave trade. There is no white man. There is no white man who came to Africa to capture a black man to sell. It is you. It is you black people that started selling your own black people to slavery. There is no white man who came to Africa and capture African man and sell them. It is Alotuku. Omenoko is a man who sell Igbo slave, who sell his own Igbo people to slavery. Go and read your history. Stop reading Bible. Go and read your history. Omenoko is from Alotuku. Omenoko, yes, he said the man who is a slave seller.
Omenoko, who is Omenoko? Is it a white man or Igbo man?
Omenoko is even what do you see? All of them is your brother. What do you see? Omenoko is an Igbo man from Alotuku.
Do you still believe that Igbo people are still selling their brothers till date?
What Ebukobi is doing is like that.
Don't call people names.
I have to call the name to stop it. I have to stop it if you don't call people names. The person will be doing. I have to have it. Huh?
No, this colonization. This colonization history, I don't want to choke my mouth too deep, because I know the pain.
Go and read the history of
See, do you know in German law, European law, bringing people picture or calling people unnecessary without the person's consent? Do you know it's an offense? I am doing live video between three major religions in Nigeria: Muslim, Christian, and traditional. You don't mention people.
Yeah, but you are trying to tag traditional people bad name.
I'm a traditional man. I told you.
You are trying to blackmail. You know, you are trying to do politics here, because we saw you in Ebukobi place, and you know that they pay you to come and tarnish our image, and you are trying to do That's why I tell you, I must come to this debate so that I will not be running.
Man,
and go to the comment section and see that
but what I don't want, what you are saying, okay, is that why? Okay, can you give me one person? Okay, give me 3 person. 3 person you have helped since ever you came to Germany.
Since I have helped, ne?
He help go money.
It can I just go because Bible, if you even you don't need to help somebody and they start broadcasting it. You don't need to tell. Okay, I command 3 people. I want 3 people to say to say something, but I don't want to help. I'm not one of those people who will help somebody and they come and say,
have you helped 3 people in Yusufia since ever you came to Germany? Since you are practicing that,
I don't want to say who I help, Jpac. It is God that help, but I'm not the person who will give somebody something and start broadcasting it.
I say you. Like if you ask somebody can come out like Omenala talk when he was doing his interview. He called people he have put in like Flavor and KC. They know many people they have brought in the industry.
I help anybody. All this thing is Yahoo. The real people who are helping people are not saying it on the social media.
This is what I want to ask now. Must you come out and say that you are helping people and brag with it? The only thing I can say, I don't know whether he's helping his village people particularly, but what I can confirm, what I can confirm as admin of his page, because I help him to set some things there. Because I was helping. What I can say as admin of his page that he is helping some people. I can confirm it.
Madam, you know why I say you are sentimental. I like somebody.
Not sentimental. I give you the answer you wanted to know.
You are sentimental.
But is it necessary to call? You are the one say we should not be calling names. Now you are asking him for 3 names.
I said all the questions I have asked here.
He's contradicting.
Madam, if I ask question, you will not answer. You are in Germany. You are born in Deutsch, in German. I am talking about what I know in my own country.
Jpac, do you have a sister who need my help? Make I help him from your village.
No, but you ask him whether he has been helping people in his village or in Nigeria, yeah? And I'm saying yes, he is helping people in Nigeria. How much or what, it doesn't matter, because everybody is doing according to his pocket, you understand?
No, I am not talking about money. That giving somebody money does not mean you have helping people. It's not the most you give one person money before you know. You can give somebody connection for somebody to become somebody. You can link somebody and somebody invitation to you to come here over to Germany and for person to come and have a good life. I am talking about, see, there's so many questions I ask, you jump and pass. I ask this question, somebody who ruled you before is a Muslim and dollar is 700. Somebody who is ruling you today is a Muslim, dollar is 1,000 something. Somebody who is going to rule you tomorrow is also Muslim. Somebody who have ruled you before, no Christian. The time Christian ruled Nigeria, when Goodluck Jonathan ruled Nigeria, he's a Christian. The fuel was 187. Fuel was 187 when Goodluck Jonathan ruled Nigeria. Dollar was 200 naira, 250. When Christians are ruling, things are okay because there is called human sympathy.
When
wait. Listen to me. Don't talk. When Yaradua ruled, it was also a Muslim that killed him because he wants what? They asked him to make the country a Muslim country. He said no, that everybody will live and let others live. If you don't know what kills him, let me tell you.
But now you are blaming only Muslim. So good things is coming also from that Muslim side. Not only bad thing. Do not tag them bad.
Now, how many Omenala
people like you?
How many
I know them. They are very good people.
How many Omenala person have ruled. You okay? If you contest and win today, is it a bad thing?
We don't have military force power. We don't have political force power. Go and read my culture and tradition and history.
You know,
I don't have
the problem is not about the religion. The problem is not about the religion even. It's about
even Babyoku in Germany. She's afraid. She will be afraid to campaign against Muslim in Germany because they know that and that in Dojo.
Who?
Babyoku herself.
Me, I'm not afraid of anything. You don't see that you're Jpac, you don't know me. You have to check my videos. You have to check my videos. I recently insulted our president because he go to Nigeria and ask for oil, and in the same breath he tell the Nigerian president to return 14,000 Nigerians to Nigeria. I insulted him in our. Do you think I fear anything?
Down. You're a good woman.
Okay.
You're a good woman. You are saying that because you're a very good citizen. Ask Wokede, how many times has he opened his mouth to condemn atrocity coming out from our government? The answer is no. Only what Wokede know how to do is to castigating Christian.
Baby Oko, let me answer you the question. I have never seen a Muslim man destroy any traditional house in Igbo Land. I have never seen a Muslim man condemning my culture and tradition. I have never seen a Muslim man, even when the Muslim people come to East, they used to respect us. Do you know why Muslim people treat us like their relatives.
They are not like us. We do fight ourselves.
No. It's you Christians. It's because of your Christian religious knowledge. That is why you hate the Muslims. Because they tell you that in the Bible.
Jpac, the problem, I think you people talk about Igbo particular. You people are not talking about the whole Nigeria. And the problem of Nigeria is not the religion. The problem of Nigeria is that Igbo is just a minority. Like you people are not much like India Hausa or Ndi Yoruba, you understand? And this is why they always suppress una, even with voice. You understand?
No, it's not like that. It's not, no, but I'll correct you. I'll put you wrong. Don't believe what anybody in Europe told you. The largest.
Wait,
no. Madam, wait, let me educate you on this. It is not a minority. No, nobody call Igbo people a minority. Let me tell you this, Igbo woman. The highest population in the whole world, the highest people in population, but we don't have land, is Igbo people. Is Igbo people. That is why our song says, anywhere you go to and did not see Igbo man or woman,
not in Igbo land. They are not in Igbo land. They are in Cameroon. They are in Guinea. They are in Senegal. They are in Gambia. They are in Europe. They are in America. They are in Canada. They are not in Igbo land.
Wait, madam. This one.
Jpac. Do you have any anywhere you can put what you don't listen to people. No, and it be like say that even if they give you an interview in embassy, if you go there, you come with the fake. That's why they refuse you visa in the German embassy. Everything is not a gra. It is listen. When somebody is talking, listen.
When I listen to you, you listen to me.
No, listen.
I've been listening to you people are too.
That's what she's
you are
talking.
making use of two times minutes. You are making use of 2 times minutes. When you consume 10 minutes, two of you, I will consume 20 minutes because I'm only single. Now I told you, and I keep on saying it again, that
no, you don't have to join us together. You have to separate us. Everybody of us is individual person.
Germany.
Do you think I'm always supporting 100% what Wokedi talks? No. Maybe I support. I'm not, because I'm an individual human being.
Yes. You are individual human being. Carry go.
Wait. What I'm saying is this, madam. Do you know what I said? We are not minority. Listen, I want to just give me your audience for 5 minutes. Let me put something in your brain, both you and Wokedi. Now, never you call Igbo people minority. And this aspect, This thing has caused a lot of problem.
Jpac, you're learning from me. I never said that Igbos are minority.
No,
I am the people who say it. Eh?
I learn from you.
I said it all. I said it all, and I'm sorry.
You learn from me.
Yeah.
No, you both tell okay.
But Jpac, you know how to contradict people. Did I say that Igbos are minority?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about
both of us.
I am the one that said it. That but I'm talking about us in Nigeria. I'm not talking about worldwide.
Okay, I am talking about
because I know through calling. I know through calling.
I'm the one talking now. I'm the one talking. I'm talking to okay. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to a Igbo woman, baby Oku. Now, you can count how many German people here in Nigeria. I don't think they're up to 1,000. How many German people here in Nigeria? But there in Germany, Igbo people in Germany are more than 5 million people. One.
No, I don't think more than 5 million, but you are right with what you say.
Okay.
I know the point you are going.
Igbo, now I want to give you point and point. The reason why you said maybe they are calling us marginalized us, calling us minority, and because that's the reason why they rig election, and that's the reason why we are not up to the standard that we are not be able to rule Nigeria. Now, to ruling Nigeria is not a fault of Ndi Igbo. It's fault of British colony. Not fault of.
I wanted to say you mistake, or maybe the way I said it is wrong, because we are talking about in Nigeria. We are not talking about outside Nigeria now. So I say in Nigeria, Igbos are a minority. But if you see before colonialism, maybe that time they are not. But now part of Cameroon, is it not Igbo before? They have been separating them. They have been separating them.
Wait. Allow me to finish. I don't like jamming words. When we are jamming words, a lot of people are listening, and they are dropping their own contribution of comments.
Now, so I just asked you.
Okay, thank you. Now, in America, the American-born citizen, the Americaners, not American by birth or by citizen or whatever. People that are from Americans who reside in Nigeria, they are not up to 1,000. But Nigeria, Igbo people who reside in America, even in only one state in America, they reach 500,000. Only one state in America. Igbo
but
people.
they are not coming home for election.
Wait, I am coming. If you talk about coming home, I will tell you the reason why they are not coming home, which I will say it now. Now, Igbo people in Kano, Kaduna, Sokoto, Jos, they are very much. Igbo people have the largest population. But what you say that we don't have space, if they come back now, our land will not contain them. That is the reason why they divide us. Europeans came to divide us, to give us 5 states. They say this one is eastern part. They give us 5 states. They demarcate and remove Delta from us. Why Delta is part of Igbo? They remove Niger Delta. They say this one is Niger Delta. So they do it so that Igbo people will not rule Nigeria, because it is an order or a kind of a conclusion from their meeting that Igbo people will not rule in Nigeria. So if you're talking about minority or whatever, Igbo people cannot rule, because colonial masters, the Britain, they have already put the standard there. Up to today, Britain, they are still taking our resources to Nigeria. We have a resources in Boronu state now. That resources is more than oil, is more than crude oil. Do you know that for years now, that resources have been taken to France, America, and Britain?
Germany.
I will know the meaning of that. A gram of that resources is $27 million. $27 million. Do you know these resources is being in Borno State, in Sambisa Forest, and they're taking it to Westerners?
I know now.
If that resources is in Abia or Enugu or Ebonyi, everywhere, they would have cleared everybody. They would have cleared everybody. So what we are saying now is, you are in Europe, people's follow contribute our hatred and enmity at what is happening in Nigeria. What you're supposed to talk about in Nigeria is
I know, and I speak out. I'm not, you know, I don't when I talk in my videos, I'm not addressing Nigerian politicians because I think I don't have the right. You understand? And I still want to come to my, but when I'm talking about the resources in my videos, about racism in my videos, about different things, injustice against black people in my videos, I'm always addressing our own politicians because if not their support, things will not be like that. And why our politicians are supporting whatever they are seeing? Why? Because you see this America, you see this Europe, everywhere they took them out. If they want them to dance left side, they go dance left side. If they want them to dance right side, they go dance right side. But for that place, for that whole Africa, I talk finish now. For that whole Africa, they know they took them out. And do you know why they know they took them out? Because they are benefiting from it. I think Africa is the only place in the whole world nobody will be talking about human rights. They know they see human being in Africa.
Mama,
nobody is talking about human rights in Africa, but everybody is talking about human rights in the whole over the world. But when it is about Africa, nobody will see that there are humans, that these humans need human rights too. Because of what? Because they are all benefiting from what is going on in Africa. And it's not only Nigeria, it's the whole Africa. Okay, see Mama, what is going on in Congo. Are they not? How many decades they are digging gold in Congo?
I am not.
People are there.
I'm not from Congo.
No, but it's the whole Africa. It's the whole Africa is suffering in the hand of
my own place. My own place. Now, do you know that because of they discovered oil in Imo State, they discovered oil in Abia State and even Anambra State. That is why they are making, yes. Do you know the kind of money they are making in Anambra? They want to start drilling oil from Anambra State. They want the oil in Eboma is there. Abia State is there. Coal in Enugu, coal mine is there. All these resources been taken from Ndi Igbo, southeast. No, still they have never changed their mind to bring an Igbo man. This one is beyond you.
No,
this one.
Let us talk what we are talking. You are changing the analysis.
What we are saying. In part of what we are saying. When good luck, Jonathan, as a head of state, as a military, I want to tell you this. You know, these are the international news. International news. When good luck as a head of state, it was during good luck regime. California was discovered. You are in abroad. You don't know this thing. Here have international news and they top up. Now, good luck want to stop it by stopping insecurity, stopping this in Borodu Street. When he came to stop Borodu people, to stop Ndi Fulani, all these herdsmen and whatever. Boko Haram. He want to stop Boko Haram. He found out that
Chief,
no verse.
don't come out.
Okay, you don't come out. Maybe what his battery because you have been complaining about his battery. Now, this I'm telling you now, during the time of good luck, Jonathan, they discovered this resource is called California. That California, nobody know this thing. As I speak to you, and I said, millions of people doesn't know there is a resources in Nigeria called California. And that California, Google it, a gram of California is $27 million. Go and do your research. It's $27 million. And before you can be able to sell crude oil that will give you profit of $27 million, you know how many miles you have gone before you can be able to get that.
But this thing, finally, last, all this matter don't have anything. Wait, last, all this matter don't have anything to do with our belief, because you see, we will be Christians. We are doing the highest evil in the whole world by stealing other people's, and we call ourselves Christians. You understand? So it doesn't have anything to do with your belief.
No.
We are the highest in the whole world. We are creating wars in countries that don't know anything about war just to get their resources. So
who created the war in Hamas and the Israelites? Israel.
You see, supported by the Westerners now.
No, who started the terrorists? I want you all to know who started the terrorists in Hamas. Gaza.
This topic is a very sensible topic where I don't want to like anything concerning politics. Like I don't want to interfere too much. I have my personal reasoning on this topic. I do my own research.
Do you know 3 things that rule the world? 3 things that rules the world is
religion, politics,
and
you know.
Battery on network or battery.
I want battery ready. Everything be ready.
You know, last all these things, the innocent masses, because I'm not even condemning Muslim religion, because I know many Muslims, and what their Quran preach is not what terrorists are practicing. You understand? The same way, what our Bible preach. What our Bible preach is not what Christians that corrupt and give people money is practicing. And what culture and tradition is teaching people is not what fake dibias used to do ritual. You understand? So this thing is just, you know, all this war, all this injustice is just some men where I want to show who will get the biggest broncos. Now them they challenge themselves,
Okay,
and this is why the whole world is suffering.
Let us be going
so
because
at the end, how do we conclude this thing? Because I want after this, let the Igbo Christians know their limits.
No, what I'm
concluding, their limits.
What I'm
and let
concluding on
people
this
know
thing is this.
what is good, and let the people know what is bad.
Wait, 1 minute.
I conclude at the end is
wait 1 minute.
Yeah, let us put the future.
I'm coming. Let
us analyze it, because we are the people. We are the people who can make this world a better place. Okay. We can make an Igbo better for everyone if we are agree on one thing.
What I want for you, is
because
this.
Numbers 32:23. No, not numbers. Amos 3:3.
Yeah, watching Bible.
We agree on one thing.
Yeah, watching Bible.
Can, you know, let us agree. You say what?
Yeah, now watching the book of the.
Because I'm a born Catholic, and I go school. I go to primary school in Anglican school. So this is knowledge I have, and I grow up to develop it in a better way, not in a bad way. I love my ancestors' way, and I love where I was born, and not the same people, and I carry them along. Yes. Sometimes I quote the Bible. Amos chapter 3 verse 3 says, "Two can work together if they agree on one."
Yes,
thing.
God bless you. Before we round up,
traditional
thank
people
you very
have
much.
never agree on one thing.
Thank you. I love that part you said. Let us round up now. Can two work together except they agree? Yeah, the answer is no. They cannot work together. So let us agree on one thing. What we agreed on right now is that
I don't want Ebuko to be condemning any traditional man from east, west, south, and the north again.
I don't want you to be condemning Ebuko in every of his speech.
No, he can make it, let him be guided with what he preach, because let him be guided from what he is saying, and let him continue and
do something that is good. You praise him. He's your brother. He's your brother.
He's my brother. But yes, when he's condemning me, where I'm in the battlefield,
he never mentioned your name
and making things to be nice.
I hear that
back home, they are destroying my shrines and they're tagging them evil. You know, I used to observe everything that they are seeing, and at the end of it, I see it in the Nollywood.
Soludo, your governor.
Is my noche. It's in Namochi.
Make una relax.
In my history
as an outside observer and as a lover of peace and unity, what I want from you people is that you people stop fighting each other because of religion and tradition, because you people are brothers. And if you people want to achieve what una want to achieve, una need to be hand in hand as a very strong brotherhood. Stop discriminating people because of religion, because of culture. If you see something wrong, If you see something that is wrong, condemn it. If you see a particular dibia doing wrong, condemn it. If you see a particular pastor doing wrong, condemn it. But don't condemn all. Don't condemn all. Focus on what you people want to achieve. Because Igbo people are a great nation.
Yes,
Yes.
Don't fight each other.
Let us end up. I'm driving so that I will not hit car on the back. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining.
About traditional kingdom.
Chief.
Thank you.